During the blooming season, typically between August and October, canola fields transform the countryside into a sea of shimmering gold. These fields stretch across regions like New South Wales, Victoria, and Western Australia, creating some of the most picturesque landscapes in the country. Did you know that canola wasn't originally from Australia? It was developed in Canada during the 1970s. The name canola is derived from Canadian oil, low acid. Today, Australia is one of the leading producers of canola, exporting it to countries around the world. Canola isn't just beautiful, it's also incredibly important. Its seeds are crushed to produce canola oil, one of the healthiest cooking oils available. The remaining meal is used as a high-protein feed for livestock. It's a versatile crop that contributes significantly to Australia's agricultural economy. Canola fields have become a favorite spot for photographers and travelers. The contrast of golden flowers under clear blue skies creates picture-perfect scenery. Just remember to respect farmers' properties, stick to marked paths, and admire the fields without stepping into them. Canola is not only profitable, but also eco-friendly. It's often used in crop rotation to improve soil health and reduce pests. This sustainable farming practice helps maintain the fertility of Australia's farmlands. Whether you're driving through the countryside, capturing the golden hues with your camera, or simply enjoying the serenity of rural Australia, canola fields are a must-see. What do you think of these stunning golden landscapes? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to OziTraveler for more amazing travel and nature stories. See you in the next adventure.